Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for an Unbound Content AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now, to register an account on the Unbound Content AI, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address Unbound. Let's go. Unbound Content AI and click on enter, and after that it'll be directed to the home page, the Unbound AI. And over here guys, you can see there is the get started button as well as the get started button at the bottom left and the top right corner of the screen. Click on either of those buttons to go through the sign up process of your Unbound account. And guys, over here you can see there is the sign up with Google and continue with email option available for us. If you click on either of these buttons, or let's go with manually, if you click on the sign up with Google, if you click on that button, a login page to your Google account will open. And if you sign into your respective Google account, you will be registered, or you will also have signed up for an Unbound Content AI account, but will be signing up for the Unbound Content AI manually. So let's click on the continue with email. And over here guys, you'll be required to enter your email address with which you want to create an account on the Unbound AI. And over here guys, you can see the send email link button available for us. And if you have entered your email address, simply click on the send email link button available over here, and the link will be sent to your email address over here. And if you click on that email link, you will continue with the verification process of the Content AI, and there you will be able to register your password for your Unbound Content AI, and your other credentials like your name, your birth date will be extracted from the Gmail or your email address itself which you used. And with that being said guys, this is how you sign up for an Unbound Content AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.